Lee Alma PM size, epi leather, comes with strap, lock and keys, and organizer. Ayan, front. Ang ganda pa ng body nito. Tapos malinis yung mga hardware, side. This is the likod. May strap na to ha. Ayan, ang ganda. And then the other side. There, bottom ng bag. Complete ang studs. And then the corners, may minimal signs of use lang sa ibang corner. Yan, corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, and corner 4. Tapos yung kanyang handle, rubber lining, intact and complete, both handles. Yan, maganda pa yung handles. And then loob ng bag, malinis. Meron itong organizer sa loob. Yan, di na namin aalisin, pero malinis yung loob. Tapos yung kanyang strap, it is adjustable and removable. Ayan, kabilaan, buo pa rubber lining. Pwedeng i-crossbody to.
Mahaba siya.